Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Rolling Stone took a swipe at Kanye West by placing him on the top spot of their 50 genuinely horrible albums by brilliant artists list for his 2018 Ye album. The once celebrated musician was cancelled by the press, industry and fans after West launched his anti-Semitic rants. The Flashing Lights rapper marked the beginning of the most disastrous artistic and personal collapse in the history of popular music, the report adds. Clocking it at a mere 23 minutes, the chaotic, half-baked album was cut in Wyoming right around the time he told TMZ that slavery was a choice and started wearing a MAGA hat in public, the magazine wrote. The uproar over his slavery remark caused him to revoke many of the Ye lyrics over a frantic 2 weeks shortly before the album dropped, which explains screed like, "Just imagine if they caught me on a wild day. Now I'm on 50 blogs getting 50 calls. My wife calling screaming say, we about to lose it all." The Kanye scandals of 2018 seem almost quaint compared to his recent issues, but he's never made music less vital than this, the publication concluded. Despite the Chicago rapper's #1 spot on the list, the 45-year-old still boasted over 1 billion streams on Spotify in 2021. Meanwhile, Lil Wayne's 2010 album Rebirth also bagged the position on the list, with the writers calling the project the work of a vocally challenged genius stuck in limbo. Outkast's Idlewild track appeared at number 46, calling the tape the product of a creatively exhausted duo that were desperate to go their separate ways. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.